Hi friends, this video shows how to connect wireless gamepad controller to Android mobile phone. So here I am using this Redgear wireless gamepad controller. This is the Bluetooth receiver of this gamepad controller. We need this type OTG adapter to connect this Bluetooth receiver to mobile phone. So this receiver, Bluetooth receiver, we can connect to this adapter like this. Then this adapter we need to connect to mobile phone. In this mobile phone, first we need to enable OTG. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, then go down, then tap on additional settings, then go down, then enable OTG connection. Tap here. So now OTG connection is enabled. Then we can connect this adapter like this. Okay, done. After that we can pair. So in this gamepad controller we need to press and hold this home button for pairing. So let me press and hold this home button. Okay, done. You can see light here. So now we can control this mobile phone using this gamepad. Let me play one game. See, it's working. So I hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.